Welcome to Techno Trend Zone. Can a tablet finally replace your traditional laptop? For years, tech lovers have asked this exact question. Every year, big tech companies make big promises. They tell us that mobile screens are the future of daily computing. Apple always claims that the iPad can handle all your daily work. But every time users hit a hard wall, the hardware is super fast, but the software holds you back. Or the body looks modern, but it lacks true heavy power. Something always limits what you can do. Now, that long wait might finally end. Big leaks from the supply chain show a massive shift coming up. The next iPad Pro will feature the brand new M6 chip. This single upgrade could change everything we know about portable devices. This is not just another tiny annual update. We are not talking about a small speed boost or a simple design change. This is shaping up to be the biggest update to the iPad since the original model. New reports show a future where the line between a mobile tablet and a powerful workstation completely disappears. For a long time, people saw tablets as basic tools. You use them to watch movies on planes or scroll through social media feeds. But this new M6 model breaks that old idea. It turns a simple glass screen into a serious workstation for creators. You might look at today's iPad Pro and think it is already insanely fast. It runs basic tasks without any lag. You might feel tablet performance cannot get much better than this. That is a fair thought because Apple Silicon already leads the market, but Apple wants to reset your expectations completely. The M6 generation is about raw speed and much smarter overall performance. A huge focus of this new chip is advanced artificial intelligence processing. Apple is pushing its chip design to limits we have never seen before in a mobile device. Let us look closely at the main specs of this upcoming machine. The heart of any computer is its primary processor. Industry leaks suggest the new M6 chip is a true performance monster. The new manufacturing process allows a massive jump in CPU efficiency. Early benchmarks point to a 20% increase in CPU performance compared to the last model. A 20% jump is huge, especially when you consider how fast current models are. It means every tap and swipe will happen instantly. You will see zero lag when opening heavy apps. Complex websites will load in a fraction of a second. You will never wait for your tablet to keep up with your brain. But the graphics power is where the M6 chip truly shines. For the first time ever, Apple may include a massive 12-core GPU in the iPad Pro. Think about what that means for your daily work. You will hold desktop-level graphics power in your hands without being tied to a power outlet or a heavy desk. It opens up creative tasks that were impossible on a tablet a few years ago. With a 12-core GPU, editing 8K video will feel completely smooth. You can scrub through high-resolution footage without dropping a single frame. This is a dream for editors who travel a lot. For 3D artists, it means faster rendering and real-time previews. For gamers, it means console-level gaming on the go at high frame rates. All of this happens on a stunning screen that fits easily into any small backpack. However, this massive power comes with a major challenge that everyone is discussing. That challenge is heat management inside an ultra-thin design. Apple will likely keep the super thin 5.3mm frame. We all love how light the current iPad Pro feels in our hands. But this thin frame creates a huge engineering problem. How do you keep such a fast chip cool inside a thin shell? Powerful chips generate a lot of heat when working hard. Regular laptops use large copper pipes and spinning fans to push heat out. The iPad Pro has no space for internal fans. This leads to the big worry of thermal throttling. If a chip gets too hot, the system automatically slows down to protect internal parts. If it slows down constantly, the extreme speed of the M6 chip becomes useless. You would only get full power for a few minutes before the device slows to a crawl. Tech experts are debating how Apple will solve this thermal puzzle. They might use new heat-spreading materials or a microscopic vapor chamber. They could also use smart software to balance temperature and power. If Apple solves this problem, they will change mobile hardware design forever. Now let us address another long-standing issue for iPad users. That issue is system memory, also known as RAM. In the past, Apple split the RAM based on how much storage you bought. If you wanted 16 gigabytes of RAM, you had to buy the expensive 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte storage models. Base models were stuck with less RAM. This felt like an artificial limit meant to force people to spend extra money. But leaks indicate Apple might finally remove that restriction. Every single M6 iPad Pro model could come with 16 gigabytes of RAM as standard. Even the basic entry model will get full 16 gigabytes right out of the box. You will no longer have to pay huge extra costs just to get standard professional memory. This change will drastically improve multitasking. Stage Manager will feel like a real desktop operating system. You can keep multiple heavy apps open on external screens without sudden crashes or background refreshes. You can pause a heavy project, do something else for hours, and return right where you left off. In my honest opinion, this M6 iPad Pro looks like an absolute game changer. Giving 16 gigabytes of RAM to all models is the best decision Apple could make for users. It stops punishing budget buyers and unlocks the full power of the hardware. The only real question remains cooling. If Apple manages heat inside that 5.3mm body without heavy throttling, this will be the ultimate tablet on the market. It will finally fulfill the promise of replacing a traditional laptop for most users. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.